Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using Money Manager X. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively track your personal finances, manage expenses, and budget for your future. Let's start by setting up your account. First, head over to the official website to download Money Manager X. Once it's installed, we'll guide you through the initial configuration. Now that you have your account set up, let's navigate the user interface. You'll find key features like your dashboard, account overview, and report generation, all designed for easy access and usability. Tracking your income is vital. Click on Add Income to input and categorize your earnings, ensuring you have a clear picture of your financial inflow. Now let's talk about recording expenses. Click on Add Expense, input the details, and assign categories to keep your spending organized. To create a budget, navigate to the Budget section. Set your monthly spending limits for each category and monitor your progress throughout the month. Analyzing financial reports is key to understanding your spending patterns. Use these reports to see where your money goes and adjust your budgeting accordingly. Here are some tips for using Money Manager X effectively. Regularly update your transactions, categorize every expense, and review your budget frequently. Encountering issues? Don't worry. We'll address some common problems users face and provide solutions to keep you on track. In conclusion, tracking your finances doesn't have to be complicated. We encourage you to start using Money Manager X today and take control of your financial future.